now look at number 30 on the front side of your paper. My turn. Yes. Okay, now, when you hear the sound now, there are 3 ways to write the sound. At the beginning, you can spell with K, comma, C. Right, these 2 lines here stand for the final position. This is beginning, middle, this is final. Okay? And then we spell with CK in the final or ending position. So on number 30, write K, comma, C, final, CK on your paper. Now let's practice spelling some words that have digraph CK. Turn your paper over. To number 7. Number 7, we are going to spell the word pick. Pick. Tell me the sounds you hear in pick. Get ready. Ick. Yes, the sounds are ick. Remember, the k sound is a digraph. Spell it on number 7. Okay, you should have P-I-C-K, pick. Number 8. The word is clock. Clock.
Shadrika McCormick, please call the office. Shadrika, please call the office.
All right, let's tell the sounds we hear in clock. Get ready. K, oo, ok. One more time. K, oo, ok. Remember, we have a digraph at the end. Spell clock on number 8. Let's check your work. You should have C-L-O-C-K, clock. Number 9, let's spell the word black. Black. Tell me the sounds you hear in black. Get ready. B-O-O-ack. B-O-O-ack. Spell it on number 9. Black. All right, you should have B-L All right, boys and girls. At the bottom, you have some high frequency words. You are going to read them. Your parents can check the box and spell them out loud. Also, I want you to tell your parents if the word has a short or long vowel sound. You need to be practicing that or with them. So say the word, listen for the vowel sound. Is it short or long? Okay, you can flip the page to number 11 worksheet side and then put your pencil down and eyes up here. We're going to watch Miss Fires practice some coding first. Before you get to code. All right. So we stopped with underlining digraph CK. All right, remember, digraph CK is two letters that come together to make one sound. We hear the k sound in digraph CK. All right. Because we only hear one sound, we can cross out the C because we hear that k sound. So I'm going to cross out the C. It's only making one sound. It's not making k, k. It's just making the one sound. So I can cross out the C and show that we just hear the one sound. Okay, boys and girls, so we can cross that out. Now we can go back and code our vowels. So let's look. Start at your vowel. All right? Is it followed by a consonant? Yes. So the rule is if a vowel is followed by a consonant, the vowel is short. Code it with a breathe. Back. What word? Back. The next one. Vowel followed by a consonant. So my vowel is short. I code it with a breathe. Let's sound it out. Lock. What word? Lock. And go to my next word. Vowel. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. So I can code it with a breathe. Now I can sound it out. Tuck. And the next one, go to my vowel. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. So it is short. Code it with a breathe. Neck. What word? Neck. Now I'm going to look at my next word. This is a big word. I'm always going to start at the vowel if I need to figure out a big word. So let's look. I have more than one vowel. So if I have more than one vowel, I write a V underneath each vowel. Now I have to find out the number of consonants in between. So the T is a consonant and the M is a consonant. Now let's look at the pattern. V, C, C, V. I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. All right, the rule tells me if it's V, C, C, V, I divide where? I divide between my consonants. Where do I put my accent? On the first syllable. And then I can code my vowels. All right, look at my first syllable. I've got a vowel followed by a consonant, so it is short. Second syllable, vowel, followed by a consonant. It is short. Now I should be able to sound out my word. Nut, meg, nutmeg, nutmeg. What word? Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a seasoning. Nutmeg. Alright, and I added this one because some people are having a little trouble with this, even though it's a small word. Alright, I have a vowel. Do we have a consonant after the vowel? We do not. Alright, boys and girls, what's the rule if there's not a vowel, not a consonant after the vowel? The vowel is long, coded with a macron. So that vowel says its name. Now let's sound it out. So, what word? So. So if there's not a consonant on this side, that vowel is long and says its name. Okay. Now let's look at your paper for today. At the top, it has your rule, digraph CK. Remember, we underline digraphs. We're going to cross out the C because we only hear that one K sound. We don't hear it twice. All right, so we're going to go through and see which rule each word follows, and then we can sound out that word and figure it out and see if it matches the picture. All right, number 1. Do we have a digraph CK? Yes, we do. Underline it. Which letter do we cross out? Let's see. Now look at your vowel. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. So the vowel is short. Code it with a brief. Now we can sound it out. Block. Block. What word? Block. Do we have a picture of a block? Yes, we do. Draw a line. Number 2. Do we have digraph CK? Yes. Underline it. Cross out your C. Now find your vowel. Is your vowel followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. So your vowel is short. Code it with a brief. Now sound it out. Track. 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 Do we have a picture of a track? No, we do not. Number 3. Do we have digraph CK in that word? Yes. Underline it. Cross out your C. Is your vowel followed by a consonant? Yes. Code it with a brief. Now there's one more piece of coding we need to do. Does anyone see it? I'm going to give you a hint. What do we need on our C? We need a K back. Okay, now let's sound it out. Click. Click. What word? lick. The next word. Do we have digraph CK? No. So look at your vowel. Is your vowel followed by a consonant? No. So the vowel is long. Code with a macron. Now let's sound it out. We. What word? We. Now the next word. Do we have digraph CK? No. So let's look at our vowel. We have more than one vowel. So write your V under your vowels. You have O and E. Now you have two consonants in between. You have two N's. So we have a V, C, C, V pattern. All right, we divide between our two consonants. So divide here between the N's. Our accent goes on the first syllable. Now let's look. We have a vowel followed by a consonant is short. So we put a brief. And then we have a vowel followed by a consonant is short. We put a brief. And now we can sound out our word. On, bon, it, knit, bon, knit. What word? Bonnet. All right, do you see a picture of a bonnet? A bonnet is something women used to wear on their head that ties around their neck. Sometimes little girls wear them when they're really, really small, babies even. Yes, this is a bonnet. The woman is wearing a bonnet in the picture. Bonnet. All right, we have one last word we're going to do together. All right, do we have digraph CK in this word? Yes. Underline it. Cross out your C. Now find your vowel. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. Sound it out. Rack. What word? Rack. All right, the clothes are hanging on a rack. Draw a line. Very good. Okay, your independent work for lesson 11. You have 6 more words. You need to sound them out, try to code them, and match up the picture. If you would like me to check your work, you may take a picture, send it through email or Dojo, and I would be glad to check them. But make sure you are able to read these words to someone at home. Okay, you really need to be able to read those words carefully. If you have any questions, please let me know.